bin picking has become a huge piece of technology we've really been pushing as a company. Now inside the booth here, you can see they have different bin picking operations going on. Basically where you have 3D vision, being able to see the orientation of the part and then place it to a bin. For this would be like a pick and pack type of operation, or not a pick and pack, but like a distribution center. You're gonna have something where this is a CNC machine where the robot is picking from a bin and then maybe loading that part into like a CNC. So bin picking has become a huge piece of technology we've really been pushing as a company. Right here, we just have kind of basically your simple scarer robot, not doing anything too fancy. It does have a 3D printed robot tooling on it, which is really cool. And then here's actually an example of a machine tending operation with Fanix CNC. So the robot basically picking up different pieces that need to be machined. Oh, lighting's bad. Then we're basically simulating the machining of that part. This is basically just simple machine tending. This is like one of the kind of cool things that we do as a company. And then let's take you to some of this bigger robot here. So I can see a lot of people actually utilizing this robot here. The M1000IA, and the has a 1,000 kg payload, which is about 2,000 pounds. Very big robot, and it really does have a lot of good use cases for like any type of heavy industry.